Mercedes-Benz increases outlook after higher Q2 earnings. Berlin Mercedes-Benz expects a massive upward thrust in sales and barely better earnings in 2022 than last 12 months, raising its outlook because the corporation mentioned on Wednesday an 8% jump in second quarter adjusted earnings to €4.9 billion, $4.97 billion. The luxury carmaker had previously stated it expected only slightly better sales this year and income identical to ultimate year. Still, uncertainty because of the war in Ukraine, high inflation, hobby price rises, and the pandemic, mainly in China, should all weigh at the employer, the carmaker warned. However, order books have been complete and Mercedes-Benz cars was expected to peer a slight growth in income, it mentioned, with the top-end luxurious phase forecast to develop greater than 10%. Passenger vehicle registrations in Europe have seen a 12-month decline as supply chain problems and rising expenditures weigh on sales. However, luxurious carmakers able to prioritize top-end cars have extensively proved greater resilient as wealthier customers persisted to spend. The luxury carmaker saw an adjusted return on income of 14.2% in the Mercedes-Benz cars department, up from 12.8% in the same sector last year, whilst returns in vans fell slightly to 10.1% from 11.4% closing year. Looking ahead, it raised its anticipated adjusted profits margin for its cars department in the 2D half to 1,214% from 11.513% previously. The first half saw a 15% margin. However, higher fabric fees, research and improvement spending and outcomes from the used car marketplace ought to weigh on the second one half. Addressing concerns over how German industry will manipulate fuel consumption inside the event of further cuts to supply from Russia, Mercedes-Benz stated it is able to lessen its consumption in Germany by using 50% if regional pooling happened and had discovered a way to operate the paint save in its Sindelfingen plant without fuel in an emergency. $1 equals €0.9854.